Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light, or sometimes also known as your oil light. This is similar process for most push start car. To begin, start your car. Look on the mouse indicator. Press that little stick until you see the trip A. Then turn your engine off. So with your foot off the brake pedal, press this little stick right here, press and hold, and one hand press the start button. You should see the resetting took place. Sometime on the dashboard like this, and sometime on the speedometer. It's that simple. And there you have it guys. Thanks for watching.